Manifestation doesn't have to be complicated. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals to create the reality you desire. With focused intention and the right practices, you can start seeing changes in just 7 days. This approach doesn't rely on luck, but instead taps into your inner power and universal energy. Let's explore how you can bring your dreams to life. Manifestation begins with your mindset. Belief acts as the foundation for attracting your desires. And when you trust that your goals are possible, you create a mental framework that supports positive change. On the other hand, doubt sends mixed signals to the universe, delaying or blocking your manifestations. Strengthen your belief by reminding yourself that you are capable and deserving of success. Cultivating belief requires daily reinforcement. Start by saying affirmations like, "I am worthy of my dreams," or "Everything I desire is on its way to me." Over time, these affirmations will shift your subconscious mind, allowing you to replace self-doubt with confidence. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to trust the process. Belief also influences your behavior. When you truly believe something is possible, your actions naturally align with that vision. You'll find yourself taking steps that support your goals without overthinking. This synergy between belief and action is what makes manifestation so powerful. Keep in mind that belief is not about ignoring challenges, but facing them with optimism. Even if setbacks occur, stay grounded in the belief that these are temporary obstacles, not permanent roadblocks. With persistence and faith, you'll keep moving closer to your desires. Clarity is essential for effective manifestation. Without a clear vision, your energy becomes scattered, making it harder for the universe to deliver. Take time to define your goals with precision. For example, instead of saying, "I want a better job," specify the role, salary, or company you desire. The more detailed your intentions, the more focused your energy becomes. Writing your goals is a powerful way to clarify them. Use present tense statements such as, "I am thriving in a fulfilling career that pays me X dollars." This creates a mental image of already having achieved your desires. As you write, feel the excitement and satisfaction of reaching your goals. Clarity also helps you recognize opportunities when they arise. With a well-defined goal, you're more likely to notice signs or chances that align with your vision. This awareness creates momentum as each step brings you closer to your desired outcome. Clarity prevents confusion and second-guessing. When you know exactly what you want, you avoid distractions that can lead you off course. Stay focused on your vision and let your clarity guide your decisions and actions. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for manifestation, but it's more than just imagining your desires. To amplify its effect, pair your visualization with strong, positive emotions. See yourself living your dream life and feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it's happening now. Your brain responds to vivid imagery and emotional experiences, strengthening your belief in your goals. And for example, if you're manifesting a dream home, imagine walking through its rooms, hearing the sounds of your new environment, and feeling the satisfaction of being there. The more sensory details you add, the more real it feels. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to visualize your desires. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of focused visualization can create a significant shift in your energy. Over time, this practice helps align your thoughts and actions with your goals. Visualization also boosts your confidence. When you repeatedly see yourself succeeding, your brain begins to accept this as your reality. This mental rehearsal prepares you to act with certainty when opportunities arise. And gratitude is the ultimate manifestation accelerator. When you're grateful for what you already have, you attract more to be thankful for. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, whether big or small. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, setting a positive tone for the day. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you, it's about feeling it deeply. When you genuinely appreciate the blessings in your life, you emit a powerful energy that resonates with the universe. And this energy draws more opportunities, relationships, and experiences that align with your desires. It's also helpful to express gratitude for your manifestations as if they've already occurred. For instance, say, "I'm so thankful for my thriving business, even if it's still in progress." This reinforces your belief and keeps your focus on the outcome. Gratitude enhances your overall well-being. Studies show that people who practice gratitude regularly are happier, more resilient, and less stressed. When you're in a state of joy and contentment, manifestation becomes a natural extension of your energy. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. Taking inspired action bridges the gap between intention and reality. These actions don't have to be monumental. They just need to align with your goals. For example, if you're manifesting financial success, researching investment opportunities, or learning new skills could be your next step. Inspired actions often feel intuitive. Pay attention to ideas or impulses that nudge you toward your goal. These are often signs from the universe guiding you in the right direction. Trust these instincts and act on them promptly. Consistency is important. Small, consistent actions build momentum over time, leading to significant progress. Even when results aren't immediate, trust that your efforts are contributing to your overall success. Inspired action is about working smarter, not harder. Avoid forcing outcomes or taking actions out of fear or desperation. Instead, focus on steps that feel meaningful and aligned with your vision. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. They help replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, aligning your thoughts with your desires. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them daily. For example, if you're manifesting abundance, affirm statements like, "I am financially free," or "Wealth flows effortlessly into my life." Repetition is key. The more you say your affirmations, the more they sink into your subconscious. It's not just about repeating words, it's about believing them. Speak your affirmations with conviction and imagine how your life changes as these affirmations become true. This emotional connection amplifies their power. You can also incorporate affirmations into your daily routines. Say them while brushing your teeth, commuting, or before bedtime. Consistency ensures that your mind stays focused on your goals throughout the day. Over time, these positive statements will reshape your mindset and attract experiences that align with your desires. Affirmations should feel authentic and empowering. If a particular affirmation doesn't resonate, modify it until it feels natural. Trust your instincts and allow your affirmations to guide you toward a reality that reflects your truest aspirations. One of the most important steps in manifestation is letting go of resistance. Resistance comes in many forms, including fear, doubt, or attachment to specific outcomes. These feelings create energetic blocks that hinder your ability to manifest. By releasing resistance, you allow the universe to work on your behalf. Start by identifying the sources of your resistance. Are you clinging to past failures or worried about the future? Acknowledge these feelings without judgment and remind yourself that they don't define your potential. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you release these emotions and cultivate a sense of peace. Trust is essential in this process. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting that the universe has your back. When you stop trying to control every detail, you make room for opportunities and solutions to flow naturally into your life. Keep in mind that patience is part of letting go. Manifestation doesn't always happen on your timeline, but that doesn't mean it's not working. Stay open, trust the process, and keep your energy aligned with your goals. The universe often delivers in ways that exceed your expectations, and your energy is one of your most valuable resources, and protecting it is crucial for successful manifestation. When you spread yourself too thin or let others drain your energy, it becomes harder to focus on your goals. Setting boundaries ensures that your energy remains aligned with your desires. Start by identifying what drains your energy. This could be toxic relationships, negative environments, or unproductive habits. Once you've identified these areas, take proactive steps to minimize their impact. This might involve saying no to unnecessary commitments or distancing yourself from people who bring you down. Boundaries aren't just about saying no, they're about saying yes to what truly matters. Prioritize activities and relationships that uplift you and align with your vision. For example, spending time with supportive friends or engaging in creative hobbies can recharge your energy and keep you motivated. Don't forget that setting boundaries is an act of self-care, not selfishness. When you protect your energy, you're better equipped to manifest your desires and contribute positively to the lives of others. Accept boundaries as a tool for growth and empowerment. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for manifestation. It helps you gain clarity, identify patterns, and make adjustments that align with your goals. Regularly reflecting on your thoughts, actions, and emotions ensures that you stay on track and maintain a high vibrational energy. Begin by setting aside time for introspection. Use a journal to explore your progress, challenges, and breakthroughs. Ask yourself questions like, what am I doing well? And what can I improve? This process allows you to celebrate your wins and address areas that need attention. Self-reflection also helps you identify limiting beliefs or habits that may be holding you back. For example, if you notice recurring thoughts of unworthiness, take steps to replace them with empowering beliefs. Awareness is the first step to transformation. Additionally, self-reflection fosters gratitude and mindfulness. By appreciating how far you've come, you maintain a positive outlook and reinforce your belief in the manifestation process. Celebrate every small victory, as these milestones are stepping stones toward your ultimate goal. Manifestation works on the principle of divine timing. While it's natural to want immediate results, trust that the universe knows the perfect moment to deliver your desires. Patience and faith are key to allowing your manifestations to unfold effortlessly. Divine timing doesn't mean sitting back and doing nothing. It means taking inspired action while trusting the process. Continue working toward your goals, but release the need to control when and how they happen. This balance between effort and surrender creates a harmonious flow. Use delays as opportunities for growth. Sometimes the universe holds off on delivering your desires because you're being prepared for something greater. Reflect on what lessons or skills you can develop during this waiting period. Trust that every experience is part of your journey. Remind yourself that divine timing often exceeds your expectations. What you receive may be even better than what you initially envisioned. Stay open, trust the universe, and remain aligned with your desires. Your patience will be rewarded in ways you can't yet imagine. Manifesting your desires in 7 days is a powerful process that combines belief, clarity, action, and trust. By following these steps, you align your energy with your goals and invite revolutionary changes into your life. The journey is just as important as the destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights on manifesting your dreams. Together, let's create a life filled with abundance, joy, and endless possibilities.